Do you have any doubts, Rana? Do you have any doubts, please? Do you have any doubts today's paper?
No, sir.
Okay. Let us discuss. The family Leguminosae. Please try to understand. The family Leguminosae divided into 3 subfamilies. Okay, Nana? How many subfamilies?
3 subfamilies. 3 subfamilies.
Out of those 3 subfamilies, one subfamily is known as Papilionaceae. What is the name? Pronounce it.
Papilionaceae.
Papilionaceae. Like that. Cisalpinoideae, Mimosaeoideae. These are the 3 subfamilies. But in due course of time, later, these 3 subfamilies rise to the rank family level. They rise to the family level rank. Now, Papilionaceae become Papilionaceae or Fabaceae, commonly known as pea family or gram family, pulses family, or protein-rich family. Any term you can use. Protein-rich family, pulses family, or gram family, or pea family. Means technically Fabaceae, family Fabaceae, or family Papilionaceae. Here, paper setter can create a problem for you. Family Papilionaceae is also known as Fabaceae. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Wrong. Family Papilionaceae is also known as Fabaceae.
No,
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Family Papilionaceae is known as Fabaceae. Correct? Fabaceae family. Correct?
No, sir. No, sir.
Here, what I written? Family Leguminosae divided into how many subfamilies?
3 subfamilies.
Out of 3 subfamily, one subfamily which is included in your syllabus is
Papilionaceae.
Papilionaceae. Now this Papilionaceae is got the promotion rank from subfamily to
Family.
family. I cannot use subfamily Fabaceae. I must use the term
Family.
family
Fabaceae.
or family
Papilionaceae.
But I should not use family Papilionaceae. What I should use?
Subfamily
Okay, na? Followed, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The members of Fabaceae, they are cosmopolitan in distribution, means worldwide in distribution. They are distributed throughout all over the world. Okay, na? So, if we discuss vegetative characters, what is the habit of this family? Means which type of plants are included here? Okay, na? Which type of plants are included? Means TSH. You know what is the full form of TSH?
Trees, herbs, shrubs.
Thyroid stimulating hormone. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? TSH means thyroid stimulating hormone. Here T for
Trees.
S for
Plants.
shrubs. H for
Herbs.
so tall size plants are
trees.
Trees.
medium bushy plants are
Shrubs.
Shrubs.
small non-woody plants are.
Herbs.
So these are the plants which are included under family.
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae.
Root. What type of root system is present? Nodular taproot system. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here, root system contain bacterial nodules, no?
Yes, sir.
The tells in.
Nitrogen fixation.
This is very, very, very important. Okay, na? So, which type of modified roots are present?
Nodular roots.
Nodular roots. And these nodular roots contain bacterial nodules. That bacterial nodules contain which rhizobia? Which type of bacteria?
Rhizobia.
Rhizome.
Okay. It shows
Rhizobia.
relationship of symbiotica.
Symbiotic.
Symbiotic.
That helps in nitrogen assimilation, nitrogen fixation,
Nitrogen
Fixation.
fixation.
nitrogen fixation. That's why the crops of Fabaceae, they use it for crop rotation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Or mixed cropping. Mixed cropping means, here non-legume crop. Okay, na? Which crop?
Non-legume.
Non-legume crop means no nodules. Nodular. Next row.
Nodular.
Leguminated.
No. Next.
Non-legume.
So that it can increase the nitrogen content now, make the soil fertile now.
Yes.
Mixed cropping. First year they cultivate which crop?
Legume crops.
They are
Legume.
they cultivate, and after harvesting, that soil is rich in
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
because legume crop contain nodular root. They fixes the more of the nitrogen. No, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next year, which crop they cultivate?
Non-legume crop.
So that plant can get the sufficient amount of nitrogen. No.
Yes, sir.
So these plants are used for which rotation?
Crop rotation.
Crop rotation. Followed up or mixed cropping?
Yes, sir.
Mixed cropping. This you remember this point, important. Next, after root, which point I should discuss side heading?
Stem.
Stem is not important.
So,
I do not feel this is very important for the need. So stem may be
Erect.
or
Climber.
okay, na? Some weak stemmed plants are also present. Climbers are seen in bean, pisum. Okay, na? Lathyrus. These are other climbers. BPL TV, BPL company, you know? In nowadays, BPL TVs are most famous. Now Sony, Samsung, LG we are going. In nowadays, BPL company TVs are most standard TVs. BPL. B for
B.
P for
Pfizer.
L for not visible, Labialis. Leaf. Which type of leaves? Here, leaves, phyllotaxy. Alternate. Stipulate. Remaining all families which are included in your syllabus are extupulate. This is the only family with
Stipulate.
which type of leaves?
Pinnately compound.
Pinnately compound or simple leaves. Both are present. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
If you see Solanaceae, mainly simple leaves, rarely pinnately compound leaves. Rarely.
Yes, sir.
Solanaceae case. And but I will give priority to only two words in the list. One is stipulate the word. Another one is this is the characteristic feature, distinguished feature of the family. Palvinate,
Alvinous leaf base.
palvinate or pulvinous. Okay, na? Palvinate leaf base or pulvinous leaf base. Any word you can. Leaf base. Solan leaf bases are known as
Pulvinate.
palvinate leaf base. What is the most identifying distinguished feature of character in the leaf?
Vanish.
Right.
Pulvinate leaf.
Venation is reticulate venation. It is a dicot. Dicot, that's why which venation?
Reticulate.
So whichever the family showing reticulate venation belongs to Fabaceae. Yeah?
No, sir.
So this family characteristic feature with respect to leaves is
Pulvinate leaf base.
that I require. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So in the examination, suppose in a IP examination, if asking vegetative character, if you are missing pulvinate leaf base or pulvinous leaf base, I won't give you marks. I will search for this word whether you are written or not. Remaining all are immaterial for me. You may be feeling, sir, I have written alternate, stipulate, pinnately compound, simple, reticulate. When you have written okay nicely, but ultimately when you are missing this one, instead of one mark, I will give you half mark only. So that is the importance of this family, pulvinate or pulvinous leaf base. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
So root over, stem over, leaves over. Next is the after vegetative characters.
Floral character.
Floral characters. First, inflorescence. Which type of inflorescence? Racemose inflorescence. There are two types mainly. Racemose and
Cymos.
cymose. Okay, na? So
Yes.
the family shows mainly which type, Nana?
Racemose.
After these two remaining families are there, no? Solanaceae, Liliaceae.
Cymos.
They show cymose. Correct. This fellow shows
Racemose.
Racemose. Many types are there. In racemose, which type? This is the simple raceme. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, flower in general. Flowers are
Bisexual.
Zygomorphic.
this is very, very important for me. Flower in general means I want whether you have mentioned the zygomorphic or not. Remaining families which are included in your syllabus blindly, you can consider bisexual.
Actinomorphic. Active.
Remaining families are
Bisexual.
okay, na?
Bisexual and actinomorphic.
Followed up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And also I will use PP. PP. P for perigynous. Okay, na?
Period.
P for pentamerous. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Remaining families are hypogynous. Okay, na? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Brassicaceae. Tetramerous, no? Four
Yes,
sepals
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
in mustard we learn no. Brassicaceae mustard family.
Yes, sir.
Fabaceae, Solanaceae, sepals 5, petals 5. Yes, this condition.
Pentamerous.
Pentamerous. Liliaceae,
Trimerous.
trimerous is characteristic of the monocot family. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Dicot families may be tetramerous or pentamerous. Dicot family with tetramerous condition.
Brassicaceae.
Dicot family with pentamerous condition studied by you, which are included in your syllabus,
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae.
and Solanaceae. Both Fabaceae and Solanaceae.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir? Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Flower. And here, non-essential organs differentiated into outer calyx, inner corolla, no?
Yes.
If you want your textbook, please have a look. NCERT textbook. So, diagram based. They are diclamidious. Arranged in how many words?
2 holes.
That's why the name
Dicar.
diclamidious. And they are
Yes.
differentiated to outer calyx and corolla, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, hence, heteroclamidious. This heteroclamidious word is related to dicot families. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
In monocot families, what is the word I should use in the place of heteroclamidious?
Home.
Homo.
Homoclamidious. Homoclamidious members are seen in
Monocot.
that is
Monocot.
which family is studied by you?
Liliaceae.
Liliaceae.
Liliaceae family flowers are
Trimerous.
Trimerous.
and
Homoclamidious.
Fabaceae and Solanaceae.
Pentamerous. Hetero.
Heteroclamidious.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
But in your NCERT only these two are used. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So diagram based, just I consider. Flower in detail. Which is the first one of the flower?
Calyx.
Members of calyx.
Sepals.
Count it. How many sepals? See the floral diagram. How many are there?
5.
5 sepals. 5. They are free of used.
Fused.
2.
Gamosepalous.
Which is the polysepalous family studied by you? Polysepalous family studied by you. Brassicaceae, you see the floral diagram, left side. 2 plus 2 is there, sepals 4.
Yes.
Yes.
They are free of usage.
Free.
Free.
So the only
Yes,
branch
sir.
Polysepalous. Remaining all are
Gamosepalous.
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 You see the distribution. Sepals 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Their margins are overlapping, non-overlapping.
Non-overlap.
Margins are touching, no? Without any overlapping. Yes or no, please?
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
distribution,
Valvate.
all families studied by you. Calyx showing,
Valvate.
taken into consideration. Okay, na? See, Nana? Calyx means only 3 things we discuss. Number of sepals. They're free of fusula, gammon or poly. Next is estivation, type of yeast. Over. There itself 3. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Corolla. How many petals are there?
5.
5.
Petals. 5. Free of fusula.
Free.
Huh?
3, sir.
Two are fused in.
Free. Majority free now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which is the word I should use? Which one?
Papilio.
Polypetalous. B for which family?
Brassicaceae.
Brassicaceae.
F for which family?
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae.
S for which family?
Solanaceae.
But all these 3 families are which families?
Dicot.
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 In which dicot family polycephalous, polypetalous condition is seen?
Brassicaceae.
In which dicot family gamocephalous and polypetalous condition is seen?
Fabaceae.
In which dicot family gamocephalous and gamopetalous condition is seen?
Solanaceae.
Follow na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Brassicaceae PP. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
GB Solanaceae. Gamo. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Poly. Brassicaceae. Polycephalous, polypetalous. Solanaceae, gamocephalous, gamopetalous. But intermediate between these 2 is
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae.
Cephalus.
Gamosepalous. Polypetalous.
Petalus.
okay na? You will forget
No, sir.
polypetalous. So there are 3 types of petals. Here papilionaceous corolla. Which corolla?
Papilionaceae.
The shape of corolla is known as papilionaceous corolla. That's why the family name Papilionaceae. Subfamily Papilionoideae. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
So what is papilionaceous corolla?
Different shape.
Out of 5, they exhibit 1 plus 2 plus 2 condition. Correct?
Yes, sir.
How many petals?
5.
5 petals.
Of how many types?
3 types.
3 types.
3 types.
Pakana?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
3 types. This one. This is
Standard.
largest.
Standard.
Anna, listen. Largest petal, most attractive petal, colorful petal, placed vertically towards which side?
Anterior.
Posterior.
Posterior.
Posterior. This petal is known as
Standard.
Standard petal.
SP bole to standard petal. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
What is other name?
Vexillary.
Vexillary.
Not vexillary, vexillum. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This, if you see corolla distribution, like this, it is there, no? Standard petal.
Yes, sir.
Kerala. East. Next, this fellow is overlapping two small wing lateral petals. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wing.
These are known as a which petal? Can you guess?
Wing petals.
Which petals?
Wing petals.
Wing.
Wing petals. Wing petals are also known as
Carina.
Ale. Okay, na? Okay, na? Wing petals
Yes, sir.
are Ale.
Alley.
Insect attacked by which petal?
Standard.
It will land where?
Wing
Wing
petal.
petal.
Wing petals.
Platform for the insect is the wing petal. And then overlapping the,
Heel petals.
Tail petal.
they are fused by which end? Anterior or
Anterior.
posterior?
Anterior.
Anterior end, they are fused. So actually, it is like this. Which shape?
Board
Board shape.
Board shape. Board shaped petals are known as
Keel
Tail
petal.
petal.
where they are
Heel
located.
petals.
Where they are located.
Anterior side.
Anterior side. And inside the board petal, what are present?
Wings.
Is essential organs are included. Gynoecium,
Sex
stamens,
organs.
all are sex organs are enclosed inside the.
Keel petals.
Petals.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So overlapping taking place from posterior end to anterior end are
Yes, sir.
standard petal overlapping,
Wing
Wing
petal.
petal.
Wing petal.
wing petal intern overlapping.
Heel
Heel
petal.
petal.
This type of distribution is known as
Vexillary.
descendingly implicate distribution. It is also known as
Vexillary.
maxillary distribution is also known as.
Descending.
Descendingly.
Word is missing in your book. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, no?
No, sir.
Which is a hard petal?
Standard.
Standard petal. Okay, correct. What are these two within the bracket indicates?
Fused.
Heels. Used.
Keel petals which are fused. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Third one,
Androecium.
Androecium.
members.
Stamens.
Stamen.
How many
10.
10.
can? They are free or fused?
9 are fused, 1 free.
This condition is known as
Diadelphous.
Diadelphous.
diadelphous. Correct? Huh?
9 should be in bracket.
Very good. Which petal? Which stamen is free? One which is located towards
posterior.
posterior end or mother axis side. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
That also they may ask. Be careful now. So this one of the distinguished feature of the family diadelphous condition. Okay, na? So Fabaceae means you should not forget.
Albinate leaf.
In this case,
Diadel.
diadelphous. Okay, na?
Okay.
Anthers, diathecus. This is not important for me. All families which are there in your syllabus, all are diathecus only. Okay, na?
Okay.
Gynoecium.
Yes, sir.
Mono
Carpellary.
means one carpel. Okay, na? I
Yes,
can
sir.
use neither syncarpus or nor apocarpus condition. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Monocarpellary
Unilocular.
Unilocular.
is arranged on
Margin.
Marginal part. How many rows?
One row.
One row.
Many presidents. Many presidents. Do you remember presentation?
Yes.
Marginal placenta P. Many presidents
Got-
are landing in China tomorrow. Did I explain this one?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
morphologically unilocular with many ovules arranged on which placentation?
Martin.
Marginal presentation. Marginal presentation.
Very, 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 very important. Okay, na?
Yes.
Style. Many are one are.
One.
Because monocarpal
One.
single. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Pollination. Cross pollination. Okay, na? Takes place by insects.
Yes, sir.
The name,
Entomophilus.
Entomophilus.
they exhibit one special mechanism called
Piston mechanism.
piston mechanism. But piston mechanism is absent in
Pisum.
Pisum laterus. Do you know why? They show
Self-pollination.
and what the cell pollination occurs during bud condition. Flowers are in bud condition. That's why they are also known as bud pollination. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Pollination leads to fertilization, no? Fertilization product fruit and seed are fruit. Which fruit? Which type of fruit?
Legume.
That's why this is included in the family Leguminosae. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Seeds. How many?
1, 2.
This one is also important. One to many. Non-endospermic. Endospermica, non-endospermica.
Non-endospermic.
And mostly food is stored in the cotyledons. Okay, na? Okay?
Okay.
Now floral formula. Flowers are symmetric, structural symmetry. Actinomorphica, zygomorphica.
Zygomorphic.
Floral formula. Zygomorphic. Sexuality.
Bisexual.
Sepals how many?
5.
5.
Cria, fusida.
Fused.
Fused.
Papilionaceae, corolla, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Which one is correct?
First one.
First.
Which one is correct?
First one.
First. Stamens. Correct?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
9 should be in brackets.
G1. Correct?
No, sir. No, sir.
Superior ovary.
Yes, sir.
You must remember superior, superior, superior. Once it was asked, superior ovary. Okay, na?
Okay.
Economic importance. Very, very important. Pure Indians. Okay, na?
Okay.
Pure Indian family. Okay, na? Pure Indian families eats how many?
3.
3. Samosa. Okay, na? Okay, na, right?
Okay.
Pure Indian families, they eat
3 summers.
3.
Summers.
Correct? Samosa spelling?
Yes.
P for P for
Pulses.
Pulse.
I for Indigofera, dye plant. Is there a Indigofera dye? You see Indigofera
Yes.
dye plant? Open the book, all of you.
It's there, sir.
Which family is Fabaceae? Correct? Huh? Eats 3. Okay, na? Eats 3. What are those 3? Trifolium is there? Huh? Sesbania. You see your book? Fodder plants. It is there? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Samosa. Here I will write John. Sesbania. Next, here Sesbania होगा. Sweet pea. Ornamental plant is there? Huh? Medicinal plant. Mulati. It is there? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Muliati, sorry. Samosa. Fiber yielding plants. Her name is there? Huh? Pure Indian families eats samosa. P for pulses. I for Indian. There is the indigo ferradi. Families Fabaceae eats 3. Trifolium. Yes, says Banya. Sa, sweet pea. Mo, muliati. Sa, surname. Surname is a which plant?
Fiber.
Muliati. Medicinal plant. Okay, na?
Okay.
Sweet pea. Ornamental plant. Which plant?
Ornament.
And Trifolium, Sesbania. These are
Fodder.
Indigofera,
Dye.
pulses. It includes all grams, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, please? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Sam Ganesh. Sam Ganesh. What did he do? Sam Ganesh take. What he was taken? PDF for me. Okay, na?
Okay.
Pronounce it, please.
I'm Ganesh. Take PDF for me.
Sam Ganesh take PDF for me. So this is one word. Pure Indian families eats 3 samosa. This is one type of mnemonic. Another type of mnemonic we can go. Sam Ganesh take PDF for me. Shall we go for this one?
Yes, sir.
Whichever you feel best, you can go ahead. What is that first one?
Sam.
Sam Ganesh take PDF for me. Okay. First I will write here E बोले तो pulses. Okay ना?
Okay.
What are the pulses? Yes, yes for. Yes for. In your books, it's given a soya bean. Given a. A for arar given a. M for moong ki dal is given a. G for gram is given a. S for same is given a. You select these are the pulses. In your book, it is there a NCERT book. It is there. Please tell me.
1 minute.
That's why I told you to open your books. Economic importance. The first economic importance started with pulses only. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Pulses, these are the pulses. Sam Ganesh. Over, ah? Okay, na? Any doubt? Ah? This is over.
So
Next,
from 4:30 we have another class.
4:30. Yeah. Okay, I will stop just 1 minute.
Okay.
PDF. PDF. P. This P I am taking here. D. F. D for
Die.
yielding plant. F for fiber yielding plant. Okay, na?
Yes.
For
Ornamental.
fodder. For ornamental.
Mental.
Me. M
Medicine.
for
Medicine.
E for edible oil. Is there a
Yes, yes. Soya bean and groundnut.
soya bean and
Groundnut.
medicinal plant muliati? Correct? Huh? Ornament lupin and sweet pea. Fodder ST plant Sesbania and trifolium. Fiber sunnim. Dye indigofera. Okay, na?
Okay.
So whichever you feel easy, you go ahead. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yeah, I will stop.
Thank you, sir.